In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily change your username on X or Twitter. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you're going to head over to X. Once you're on X, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on profile. Once you click on your profile, click on the settings and support, then click on the settings and privacy option. Once you do that, click on your account option. Once you do that, click on the account information option. Once you do that, click on the username, and you can easily change your username by inserting a new username. So once you do that, you can then click on the done option, and then you can recheck if your username has been changed. And as you can see, my username has changed. So that's how you can easily change your username on X. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.